Hi, I'm Mike Poehler, and I'm a real estate agent in San Diego. As a fellow buyer's agent, I was searching for a tool or a service that can help me streamline the scheduling process when I was going out to see properties with my buyers. We can all remember that one client that wanted to go see everything in the MLS. It takes 1 to 2 hours just to schedule one of those tours. Time is money. You know that. So how do we create a more streamlined service to do this? I looked everywhere and there was nothing. So that's when some friends and I decided to create Reva. Reva is a scheduling app specifically tailored for buyer's agents. Not only will Reva actually call to confirm each showing, but it'll map each route and also print out a beautiful tour package your clients are gonna love, all under 5 minutes. Now let's be honest, as a buyer's agent, we're not always the best at providing feedback to the listing agent. Well, guess what? Reva's gonna do that for you too. Now that you know a little bit more about Reva and how much time it can save you, I wanted to let you know that we're gonna be launching soon, but we're only selecting a handful of agents to get started. If you wanna be one of the first to start saving time by scheduling tours, click the link and sign up today.